Most small F&B owners believe their manpower problems can only be fixed by hiring more people. But the truth is, you don't have a manpower problem. You have a workflow problem. And once you fix the workflow, the manpower suddenly becomes enough. Today, I'm going to show you how a small cafe can move from daily chaos to running like a well-oiled machine. Using a simple transformation framework I call the 3S method. Simplify, streamline, scale. And the best part, you don't need to buy expensive systems. You don't need to change your boss. And you don't need a big team. Let me show you how this works. Before we talk about solutions, let's talk about the real world. Here's what I see almost in every cafe I visit. Staff schedule are done manually, WhatsApp messages flying everywhere, last minute MCs causing panic, managers firefighting day, and no one actually knows whether manpower is optimized. That's what I call the chaos zone. And the chaos zone feels like this. Everything is urgent, everything is last minute, and everything feels like you're running behind. If this feels familiar, don't worry. Most F&B businesses start here, and this is exactly where the transformation begins. To escape the chaos zone, you don't start by adding more people, you start by simplifying. This is step 1 of the 3S method. Simplify means removing noise, cutting out unnecessary steps, and giving the business one source of truth. Here's what this looks like inside a cafe. Instead of staff messaging across multiple channels, instead of customers calling and interrupting your team, instead of managers constantly redoing schedules, we replace all that with simple automations like an AI receptionist that handles basic inquiries, a single place where staff availability is collected, auto tracking of shift preferences, demand patterns captured without manual effort. It's not about replacing people, it's about removing the unnecessary that's drowning the people. When you simplify, something powerful happens. Clarity appears. You finally see who is available, who is overscheduled, where the rush periods really, where the hidden bottlenecks sit. This is the moment where owners say, wow, for the first time I actually understand my manpower. And that's clarity. Once you have clarity, you move to the next stage. Clarity is useless if the workflow is still clunky. So step 2 of the 3S method is streamline. This is where the team finally moves in one direction. Streamlining manpower doesn't mean adding complexity. It means designing flow. Here's how automation does the heavy lifting. Shift suggestions get generated automatically. Staff get smart reminders. Shift swaps follow rules you set. Expected demand informs your scheduling. Last minute changes no longer derail the whole week. This is where the chaos disappears and flow replaces friction. Imagine your cafe running like this. Nobody scrambling, customers not waiting, staff feeling supported, manager finally breathing. No more last minute panic. This is what streamlined operation feels like, and it's the bridge to the final transformation. Once your operation flows smoothly, you will unlock something most cafes never reach: grow. This is step 3 of the 3S method: scale. Scaling doesn't mean opening new outlets immediately. Scaling means you can handle higher volume. You reduce unnecessary labor. Your team stays longer because work is less chaotic. Your decisions are based on data, not guesswork. You're finally free to think long term. You're no longer reacting, you're now building. Automation at this stage looks like seasonal demand forecasting, automated weekly reports, a self-healing manpower system that adjusts itself, and workflows ready for additional outlets. This is where your cafe becomes a business, not just a daily sprint, and the transformation is complete. Chaos to clarity to flow and to grow through the 3S method. Most F&B owners try to solve manpower problems by working harder. The smartest owners solve manpower problems by removing the work that shouldn't be done by people. When you simplify your processes, streamline your workflow, and scale with confidence, your cafe stops burning out and starts growing. If you want me to take a look at your manpower workflow, I offer a short free AI audit where I'll show you the 2 to 3 biggest opportunities in your operations. The link is in the description. Book a slot and I'll walk you through your transformation route. I'll see you in the next video.